Well, this kinda sucks, guys, because we need to pick up our Maserati build.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.
Okay, guys, we are some very lucky people. We just drove down the highway and something broke in our front wheel, our right front wheel. Whew. Well, this kinda sucks, but I think now all that's left to do is call AAA, and hopefully they can get this big ram back home so we can rebuild it at least. After standing in the cold for some time, AAA finally arrived, so we will just let them do their job and hopefully get the shop truck home as soon as possible and start fixing it. Hey guys, so as you saw in the beginning, we had quite some issues with our RAM. What really happened was, as you know, we bought this car as a non-runner. It sat in a field for a couple of years, and what I did is I just pulled out the pistons, cleaned it all, and put the original dust caps back on, which were kind of torn down and beat up. So what happened, when we were driving on the highway and we went down the exit, I tried to brake, and the rear piston just froze, wouldn't move at all. What then happened next, I don't know if you can see it. Where is it? The hose, there was so much pressure on the hose that it just broke off. I think the piece is laying somewhere here in this field. Well, anyway, what happened is that the caliper just froze. It broke off of the holder here, and then it spun around the wheel, which caused the bearing to break. If you walk with me, guys, I will show it to you. Here's the bracket that broke off. Sorry for the bad lighting, guys, but I'm still currently working as a product specialist 8 hours a day. So for the next few videos I need to do it at night. But as you can see, the whole bearing and the bracket just fell all apart. And this is the other side, which was also quite bad. So what we did is we ordered complete new ones, and we're going to install them today. So if you guys walk with me, I will try to show you guys in detail how to change it all, because also of course the 4x4 axles needed to be mounted. The complete new bearing assembly. It's currently raining outside, so I already attached it to the axle. Now that's left to do is just put it in. Okay guys, what we did is also the driver's side. We also put a new bearing on it and also put new pistons in it, put new dust covers on it. So we will install it and then bleed the whole system, check for the dust covers. What we will do is put a wood of block here, and then my dear assistant will get in the car. We will pump the pistons out to see if the dust cover is going all the way around it, push them back, install the brake pads, bleed the system again, and then hopefully she's done. She's ready to go back on the road again. Okay guys, now we will put the wood here, fill her up with some brake fluid, and then check if the dust covers will come out nicely. Sorry guys, we needed to bleed the system. We wanted to film for you, but unfortunately we are only with the two of us, so that's why we didn't film it. What's now left to do is just push this block of wood back, push the pistons in, then install the brake, the rest of the brake pads, put the caliper on, and she's ready to go. Okay guys, we just got the brake pads in. As you can see, got some new bolts from the store today. The old ones were bent all the way and the threads were a little bit killed. So we push back the pistons and then it's just an easy brake job actually. That's it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for more, hopefully positive videos.